Hello and welcome to Advanced Driving Tuition. In this video, we're going to do is a filter arrow or filter direction arrow junction, which is just here. What we're going to do here, we're going to stop because the two cars are already in the junction, so we need to stop here and waiting for the safe gap to go. If you look at there's an L-shaped traffic light there. Right, we just wait here now. So if you look there, this light have a 3 bulbs, which is red, amber and green, but the other one, there's an L-shaped light there across the road where the white BMW parked up on the right side there. Just if you look on that pole there's an L-shaped traffic light there. Now L-shaped traffic light mean there'll be a filter arrow there. Now sometimes the arrow comes at the beginning and sometimes arrow comes at the end. So if the arrow comes at the beginning, it's giving you the direction to leave the junction. So what you need to do, I see the arrow there, so I will keep on going. So arrow disappeared. What I'll do now, I would just stop here because when my arrow disappeared, other side lights are green and they will come out. Most important is where to position now. Is my position okay here? My position is perfect at the moment. The reason is, if you see this car on the front of me, right on the left hand side, this one here is moving off nicely. I'm using the white line, which is a center white line, and there I see there's a gap, but there's a car turning, so we just still wait for the car there. I'm looking for the gap. After this car, there's a gap coming, and we'll take the gap there. So if the arrow was green, you could have taken arrow easily and just leave the junction straight away because it's giving you direction to go. But if the arrow disappeared, then we look for 2 things in the middle while we're waiting. One, we are looking for the gap in between the cars. So if there's a gap coming in between the cars, I will take the gap. So we're moving over because there's a car parked up, looking in the mirror, give signal right, let the car know what we're doing. And as soon we see there's a gap in our side of the road, we'll come back. So looking in the mirror, signal left, and then we'll come back on the left hand side. So whenever you're in the junction and the lights are green and you're standing in the junction to leave the road or turn right, we only look for 2 things. One, we're looking for the gap in between the cars, and if there's no gap coming, just wait patiently there, wait for the lights to go red. As soon as you see the lights gone red, you're okay to leave the junction and clear the box or clear the junction there and leave the road there and go to the right side of the road. From here we're going to do another junction.